Right, 3, 2, 1. So this should be recording. Got a couple of things to talk about. First of all, is the Diavel is going. Going to go and swap it in and get myself a Kawasaki Z1000SX. Sorry, Z1000SX. The other thing is I've been trying to get this GoPro Hero Session to record voice as well as video, and I found that YouTubing, and there's a software where you can record video and voice, but then just use the voice for video editing. Don't know what it's going to sound like, but let's see when I put all this onto YouTube. So yeah, Diavel, it's got the AR Austin racing cam. It's got clutch and brake fluid reservoir covers, and a full shad pannier kit, plus the Batman stick-on tank. Right, I'm going to go now. Speak to you later.